Okay, everybody, pardon my not so maked up look today, but this is Day Dos on Cuba, and I just arrived at my second Airbnb. Last night, I had to stay at another Airbnb. This will be my Airbnb now for the remaining of my trip. This is my apartment for my Airbnb. What it looks like. I'm super excited. Shit, that person's too much. I think it's that one. Hola, it's Carrie. It was me. That's my apartment. That's the neighborhood I mean. Okay, thank you. Oh, maybe this is too big. Friends. I don't know what's in there, but I'll go ahead and So, j'y arrivé. This is where I'm gonna be staying.
Hi.
Hi, how are
Welcome.
you? I'm Carrie. Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Ooh, so this is mi apartamento where I'm gonna be staying. This is awesome. Let me turn it down so you can see. So, over there is the balcon, right? Balcon. See? Ooh, balcony and all. He's bringing in my junk, TV, all that. Super nice, isn't it, you guys? This is really nice. I mean, compared to what outside looked like to what the apartment looked like on the inside, very, very nice. Thank you. Just bringing on my stuff. Okay.
This is the front.
Sweet. Ooh, this is nice. People, it smell nice too. Lavita. Ooh, a little light. Okay, so it goes over some more. Okay, got it. Now, what else can I see?
This the baño.
Baño? A baño?
Baño en español.
Baño, that's the bathroom. We all know that. We don't need to know any languages to speak for that. Ooh, it's nice. We all know I can't cook, but very nice. Very nice. Nice. Oh, what is it called? What's the area called?
Veados.
The area.
Area.
Bell.
Vedado.
Vedado. Ooh, so this is what outside looks like. Really, really nice. De Malecón, yes, which is the seawall. Kind of like how Guyana has a seawall, Cuba has a seawall as well. But basically, this is where I'm going to be staying for the remaining of my trip here in Cuba. I'm going to get dressed and go out and shoot some stuff. Be right back. So, basically, I am dressed and ready to go. My Airbnb is right on the border of the Malecón, about 3 blocks from the Malecón. So I'm going to walk around. I must say though, today is kind of cold. I ain't gonna lie. I don't like the cold. I don't even like the Mobile. Because Mobile, you know, sometimes Mobile kind of coolish in the night. Like it's cool in the night, and I don't like that. And right now it's a little bit too cool for my liking. Last night, oh my gosh, I was super freaking tired. Like in a taxi yesterday on my way to the Airbnb, Samia. And I swear, me and Buck with them, and I was trying so hard not to fall asleep because I feel like I don't want to fall asleep because I feel like if I fall asleep, I'm gonna be missing something. But shit, let's go explore some more Cuba. I'm pretty sure by the time I'm done here, I must speak little Spanish. Look, I'll show you outside where I'm going. And I'm heading that way. I ain't gonna lie, I'm going outside to walk the streets, like I said before. And I'm low-key scared. 2020 then. I swear to you, I think Cuban people love Michael Jackson. Hola.
Hola.
See all this sun? Would have been lovely if I had remembered my Ray-Bans. It's absolutely beautiful. Look. How much of a daredevil am I? Leaning over the fucking wall. Ah! I can't swim and my camera's expensive. Ow! Anything for the shot I want. Woo! Look at that one. Okay, let me stop. I wonder if Jamaica is that way. Hey, daddy, auntie, grandma. Ah! So close, but yet so far away. Balls, the statue got balls. So I was shooting and I had my Jamaican flag out, right? And this guy right here comes out of nowhere. Tell him what you say. I found another Jamaican in Cuba.
We're everywhere.
Yes.
Of course.
We are everywhere.
We are
Say what's
everywhere.
up. Say what's up to my vloggers.
How you guys doing? I'm just trying to steal our flag. Well, our flag.
Our flag. Yeah, he actually saw the flag and pulled over just so he could take a picture with the flag. Ah!
For Brazil.
Oh my God, I smell food. Smell like jerk chicken. Oh my God, it's that damn pig again. I can't with it. I don't want any pig. I don't want any more pig.
Get the motherfucker, yeah, I be saying, like, listen to me, esto es para ti, ya ves cómo te explico yo esta parte, 12 años estando yo en la Escuela Nacional de Arte.
So remember my friend last night, she was supposed to come pick me up, the girl that I met on the plane. She was supposed to come pick me up in the night. She said, okay, get ready for around 12:30. I'm gonna pick you up and we're gonna go clubbing. It was raining so hard outside. So I didn't think she was gonna come, but I was like, you know, just in case, I got dressed. So I kind of got dressed, but not really. Like I put my clothes on, but I didn't do my hair or my makeup because I'm telling you, it was raining like serious rain, like hurricane rain. Stupid me, I never got her telephone number. I never got her address. I didn't get anything because she said when she comes back to pick me up, we're gonna do all that and everything. And I was like, all right, whatever. I never forced the issue or anything because I was super tired. I feel booking at a taxi ride to go to the first Airbnb. So I was like, you know what, whatever. I'll just get all of that stuff from her later. And later didn't happen because when I spoke to the Airbnb lady, my host, she said it was raining so bad the streets were flooded. So I'm like, okay, well that's why she didn't come. And then today now I moved from that Airbnb to another Airbnb. So even if she came back today to find me, I wouldn't even have been there. So I have the location of the Wi-Fi park that I was at. And I remember when I posted a picture to Instagram, I had put the location on it. So based on that location is what I'm gonna use to find her house. I know what her house looks like, but I know that from the Wi-Fi park we walked about 2 blocks. So I'm gonna go to the Wi-Fi park right now, and then 2 blocks from there I'm gonna walk and see if I can find her house. I don't know how this night is gonna end, but hopefully I get to find her. This taxi ride is so bumpy. Can you turn that up, puppy? Turn it up. The music got louder. Yeah, see, up. Yeah. Hey! Yes, puppy. Is Raina here? She is. Found her. I found her. Hey. Hey, mommy. Hi.
Apareciste, ven,
What's up?
ven.
She sleeping?
Reina, mira que vino, Reina. Mira,
Raina.
la que se la había perdido.
Raina! Oh my god! Oh Jesus! How you find my house? The park.
Oh my god!
I took a taxi.
I was worried about you. I said, oh my god, where is this girl? I was so drunk yesterday. Really drunk.
Drunk?
Yeah, oh my god. I get up out today like 12. I said, oh my god, she's not there anymore.
No, cause last night it was raining. So did it rain here?
It's raining here too.
All right.
I
found her. So I took the cab here. He said 30 pesos.
30 pesos?
$30. Yeah. Is that a lot?
Yeah, it's too much. But it's okay.
Oh.
You know, it's not so bad. You can
It's
handle
bad.
it.
She said it's not so bad, so you know it's bad.
It's not so bad. You
Yeah.
can handle it.
So give me the phone number so that we don't have to do
Yes.
this again. That might help, right?
I'm going to write down my phone number from here and my phone number from United States. Okay?
Yeah.
So the first one is going to be 5281.
You're saying it loud for everybody to hear. Everybody's just gonna be watching. It's gonna be calling. I got a headache from the car being so damn bumpy. So I gave him 10 pesos, 10 CUCs to go buy me 3 Wi-Fi cards that are an hour each. This is like a stakeout. Hey, internet, here I come. Woohoo! Just got back to the Airbnb. Good thing somebody's already opening the door. I don't have to get my key. Muchas gracias. No, sir. You ain't saying when a pissy start doing a wee-wee dance? Oh my God, more pee-pee. Definitely not it. Oh my God. Oh my God. More pee-pee. More pee-pee. For sure gonna piss myself. Why the elevator takes so long? What key goes with the door? Because I really can't remember.
Let's try orange. No, let's try red.
Eventually.
Good job. Good job, Carrie. Good job. I can't do this and the door at the same time. So hold on. Oh my God. So fucking annoying. Yeah. So fucking annoying. 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 So fucking Kiambada. I'm trying to open the door. I can't figure out what color goes with this door. I really have to pee. And my phone fell from underneath my armpit and cracked. Look at it. It cracked here and here. This camera battery is dying. I really just can't, but I'm so tired. I lay down in front of people on the dirty floor. And I can't get inside. I'm annoyed. I'm really annoyed. Okay, well, right after I said I was annoyed, I got it open. Thank God. Jesus. This is my apartment. So sweet. I just got in, and what a day it was. Two bad things happened today. When I was at my friend's house and I had some CUC in my back pocket and I had some in my bra in this side. And you know, I had my chain on, my lovely chain that my friend got me. The funny thing is, he got it for me for my birthday. I broke it and I said, please, can you get me another one? And it hasn't even been 3 weeks. Like literally, probably like maybe a week ago, he got me the chain. And it's this beautiful black, I don't know what the hell is in the middle, but and it has like diamonds on the outside. And I had it on, and then I went to like pull the front of my shirt down so I'll be able to get the money out my bra. And then the chain bust. The chain bust off again after it bust off the first time. So now it's like, my chain broke. I'm just so upset about it. Then on top of that, I couldn't figure out how to open the door with the color key that the woman gave me. And then I have the phone underneath my arm. And then the phone go drop. Not only the phone drop and broke. You probably can't even see it from this far, but the water up here so crack up. Today was a great day, as you guys saw, and I can't wait till tomorrow. Met some amazing people from all over. And you know the funny thing is, every time we back out the Jamaican flag or we have the Jamaican flag, everybody was like, Jamaica, Usain Bolt. They don't speak no English, but they know Usain Bolt, they Bob Marley. Like, okay, so 1 and 2 say Bob Marley, but everybody say Usain Bolt. And I thought, God damn. Well, isn't that something, Mr. Usain Bolt? Isn't that something? Because you know how in Cuba it's a communist country and everything is extremely controlled. And as you saw, the guy sitting barely to the Jamaican flag and him come out of the car just to find out, because he's like, wow, there's a Jamaican here as well. And he's on vacation here too, but it's kind of like, you know one of them places that where maybe things say Jamaican there, but you're not really too sure. So that was kind of cool, because I had these two people were holding the flag, and then I was about to interview them, and then just hear one man say, so which one are Jamaican? Una Jamaican? And I was like, no, I am. And so, you know, we started talking and everything. I was just being mad extra, whatever. But, you know, it's this pride thing. And it's just kind of cool when you go to a different country and you see another Jamaican. Because then they look at one and they're like, wait there, blood clot, you're Jamaican? Oh, shit, I'm Jamaican too. And then we start talking and everything. But I just want people to realize that, yo, Jamaica to the world straight. But I tell you that, like, we're small and we have a little issues and them little something, but people know the Jamaican flag when they see it. People know Jamaica when they see it. And I think us as Jamaicans must take pride in that and realize that, yo, other countries, believe it or not, whether it's the top tier countries or not, they look up to us. They love us. They love our food. They love our culture, and they love everything about us. And I think every Jamaican in Jamaica should really just do their part and be the best citizen they could be, because people look to us for example. And a lot of people want to visit Jamaica, want to be Jamaicans, but you don't know already. If you're not Jamaican, then you can't just be Jamaican. But you know how we are. We love and accept anybody. So for people that want to be Jamaican, fine. You could be Jamaican too. So day 2 in Cuba was great, except for the fact I nearly pissed myself. A cockroach run over my toe, my necklace bust, and my phone screen crack up. Till tomorrow. See ya.